guys, this will be the review and comparison of the Welly 1/64 scale Volvo truck 18-wheeler versus the 1/64 scale Volkswagen Welly diecast, kind of like the Hot Wheels size. And I'll also be comparing it with Hot Wheels and Matchbox to see how well it scales. But it should scale almost perfectly since it's 1/64th. Alright, let's take this guy out first. Nice packaging. It is licensed by Volkswagen right there. And that's the store I bought it from right there, Biltema. Here's the car. Volkswagen. Nice details on the front, just all silver paint on the front. Smooth top. Red paint on the tails. And underneath. Here it is compared to a Hot Wheels. Alright, let's get on with opening the truck. Here's the store, Biltema, where I bought it from. Back of the box. There we go. Cool, it comes out easily. Let's take out the plastic holders. Transporter. Not bad. This was $8.95 euros, tax included, so not bad for a big one. Let's take a look. See if I can take this apart. Can I? I don't want to break it yet. There's the front. It has rubber tires on all of them, which is nice. There's the front. Painted front. The housing is die-cast metal. There's some nice detail on the back right there. You can see the detail of like the air conditioning connections or whatever that is back there. Even looks painted. Yeah, there is a little bit of paint right there. Gray paint, kind of giving it a weathered look. Surprised to see that. It says Volvo right there. And underneath, Welly. It says Welly, made in China. Nice detail for the drive shaft. All rubber tires. You got red tail lights right there. Here's the back. It should open up. Really cool. Let me pause this. Alright, so I opened up the back. Check it out. It opens up nicely, but the disappointment is right here. There's like a plastic piece that sticks out here and here on the sides, right there, that big thing right there. And that stops you from sticking like this into it. As you can see, it won't go in, so that's a disappointment. But if you have like the only way to put it in is like this, and it would drop in. But it still opens up, it's still cool. And I don't really use 18-wheelers for storage anyways. I normally would like to use it as like a background piece, or to compare, or to have it just sit next to like the cars. Let's see. There you go, there's a nice side-by-side. It scales pretty nicely, because the 18-wheeler should be way bigger than a car. Not bad. Here's another angle. I figured how to take it apart. If you go like this and pull back like that, and then pull up, it'll come off. So there's the post where it connects. Oh, and it does have, that's a bonus, it has the legs that fold out, so you can actually stand it like that. That's just like the cart, as the trailer. So that's neat. The legs do fold out. And here's the back of the truck. Nice details. Alright, thanks for watching, y'all. I like Welly. It's a nice budget line, and it doesn't look too bad. It still looks fairly realistic. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.